All right, so let's look at this composition word problem. So we have this area formula that's in terms of the radius, and then we know the radius is given by this function, which is m of t equals 13/3 over t. So as time changes, the radius is going to change, and as that radius changes, of course, it's going to change how big of area the circle has. So what it's saying is essentially, instead of this r here, we're going to replace it with this m of t. So essentially we have the area, but instead of the radius as a stagnant number, we're going to put that function in. So that's where you get your a of m of t. Or if you want to write it in the more traditional notation, it's a composed with m of t. But really we're just plugging that second function in for r to get this new z of t. And again, this is just some name they came up for the area with this new radius. So what I'll do is I'll have pi, and then instead of r, I'll have 13 over 3t squared. And I just have to simplify that. So that'll be 169, because that's 13 times 13, over 9. And then if I do t squared, I'll get t squared. And then I just have that pi out in front. I might put it right here just so it looks a little nicer. But that's all. So I'm just replacing that radius function in for radius, and I get a new function for the area in terms of time instead of the radius.